Welcome back. Legal Metrology Department raided 6 shops in Panjim on Wednesday. Raid was conducted in regards to violation of packing of goods as per the standard unit. Department seized goods worth nearly 15 lakh rupees.
Legal Metrology Department raided garments, electrical, mobiles and industrial tool shops in Panjim Market and Santinis on Wednesday. Vishal Mega Mart also raided by the department and seized goods nearly 6 to 7 lakhs. The report will be submitted to the controller of the legal metrology.
आज आम्ही 6 दुकानांनी रेड मारली 4 मार्केटात आणि 2 एक ते शांतीनेच आणि एक असा ती आमची हांगा म्हणजे काय एका विशाल मार्ट मेगा मार्ट म्हणतात तर विशाल मेगा मार्टात आमका जवळजवळ 6 ते 7 लाख रुपयाचा माल धरलो आणि त्या जाग्यार आम्ही जवळजवळ 8-9 लाखाचा माल धरलो म्हणजे टोटल 15 लाखाची गोष्ट आहे म्हणजे 15 लाखाचा माल सीज केला हेतून किती इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गुड्स कटर्स प्लस तुझे टेलिफोन म्हणजे मोबाईल फोन आणि त्याशिवाय बाकीची गोष्टी जी आसा तेजे प्राइस नसल्यासारखं एक्झॅजरेशन केल्ले आसा थोडे ऑफर म्हणून केल्ले आसा अशें करपाक शकना.
Reporter Mahesh Khadi with Devendra Gaukar and a senior video journalist Toshida Chari for Prudent.
Pages International Past Global Changes Open Science meeting is underway at Siddharth, Goa from Wednesday. Over 400 delegates from 44 countries have participated in this meet. Speakers focused upon the theme of the meet, the past, a compass for the future Earth.
The Open Science meeting was inaugurated on Wednesday by Secretary of Government of India, Ministry of Earth Sciences, Dr. Shailesh Nayak. This is the first time it has been held in India and is being hosted by National Centre for Antarctic and Ocean Research.
There is a very strong need to identify the role of both natural processes and anthropogenic activities which has brought about these changes. Paleoclimatic records, as deciphered by the various proxies, provide quantitative information on type of natural change in the climate system on time scale from centuries to millions of years. Many changes that are observed across the component of the Earth system are significant, unusual, or unprecedented on time scales of decades of hundreds to thousands of years. One of the major programs which we pursue is the study of ocean atmosphere and ice system. We are investigating linkages between the climate of Antarctic and the rest of the Earth system over past 10,000 years with particular reference to the behavior and interaction between the atmosphere, oceanic and cryospheric elements of climate system.
NCAOR Director S. Ranjan, Director Dr. Kiefer and others were present for the inaugural function. The meeting will conclude on Saturday. A senior video journalist Toshida Chari from Siddharth for Prudent.
Chief Officer of Murmugao Municipality has cleared that Council had taken a resolution in January 2011 to allot space to a handicapped minor girl to set up a stall. Space was allotted under a government scheme for physically disabled. CO said that he has sent the market inspector to inspect the irregularities carried out in the new market at Vasco. Officer is awaiting the report for further proceedings.
Prudent had highlighted how municipal shops were given on rent to the private parties by its original owners. Clarifying on the expose, Chief Officer Agnello Fernandez said that the council had taken the resolution after a 12-year-old minor handicapped girl had applied for shop under the government scheme formulated for physically disabled.
What I have seen is the council had taken a resolution somewhere in January 2011 to allot space to an handicapped child for the purpose of setting up a stall. So that space which they had given was in the open passage leading to the stairways of the model market. The father of the child constructed a shop there and he put rolling shutters.
What is the age of that girl?
That girl is a minor.
Our finding is that the girl is not sitting there and the shop has been given on a rent.
I sent my market inspectors to give a report. Of course, the owner in whom the shop has been given denies it, but let me see the report what the municipal engineer gives. The inspectors.
Surendra Madkekar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.